Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel to Golden's Shares. If you haven't subscribed, please click the link below and subscribe. So you guys, what I'll be doing today is I will be going through the videos of how to earn money by watching 30 seconds videos. So at the end of the video, I'll tell you guys whether it's worth it or not, and I'll also show you the dashboard. So what I'm simply doing is I'm reviewing all the most of their earn well at home videos, and I'll give you guys feedback whether it's worth it or not, so that we can all grow together and we can all make money. So today I'll show you the video that I am reviewing. Please do stay tuned. So this is today's.
Now, rock stars, I know exactly what you're thinking after seeing that thumbnail. Yes, because making money by just watching 30-minute advertisement on your phone from anywhere across the globe, free of cost, sounds like another one of those too good to be true deals. Well, you know what? I have doubts too. But being the daring digital daredevil that I am, I decided to dive into this ad watching abyss and test the waters for myself. And I enlisted the help of two.
So we also went through all the steps that she mentioned in her video. And then we did get how much you will make within a day and within a month if you continue with just watching 30 seconds of these videos. So keep watching, you guys. If you like this video, please do tell me in the comment section for me to continue with such kind of content so that we can all learn and grow together. So I'm going to show you guys the website, and I'll show you the dashboard, and I'll also show you how much I made in a day and if it's worth it or not. So do stay tuned. Okay, so this is the website. It's called what is the name of it? Paid work. So paidwork.com. So you go on paidwork.com. I'll put the link below for you guys to have it, and then it will ask you to either sign in or are you already registered. But I have already registered while I was doing the research for you guys to know whether this is worth it or not. So I will not sign in, but I will register. So I won't show you the process of me registering so that you guys won't have my personal information. But then, yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so after registering, we get into the website. It's called Paid Work. So I'm only going to show you guys how to earn from watching videos, because this is the video that we followed from the previous lady, the Rockstars, that shows people how to go about it. But as you can see on the website, you can earn from playing games, you can earn from online shopping, you can earn from filling out surveys, you can learn from micro tasks. So there is a lot of tasks that goes with this. And then for you guys to know, 100 points is equals to 20 rand. 20 rand right now, it's equals to $1. Right. So we know that 100 points is $1. 100 points is 20 rand. So and as you watch, so this is where it takes you, it says fly by, and then it will ask you to watch. So most of the times you earn 1 point from watching, and remember, 100 points is the one that gives you $1. So you need to watch quite a lot for you to reach the 20 rand. So I can't show you guys how to watch because it will ask me to have a phone, because this mostly works on your phone. So it has to, you download from Apple Store or from Google Play. So that's how it works. So I did try and I watched certain videos for certain days so that you guys don't have to go through all that. You'll know before whether it's worth it or not. This video is not going to be long, guys. So I will tell you and show you how much I earned. Whew. Are you guys ready for this? Okay, let's get into the dashboard. I earned 495. How did I earn 495? Let's go to the achievements. Okay, wait. Okay. I want you guys to see the analytics. This is the page that I am looking for. Sorry, give me just a minute. Let me get to the page. Okay, so you guys, this week I didn't go to this page. I did last week. So as you can see, the first day I earned, okay, the highest earn I did in a day was 2 rand 85, and then the lowest was 97 cents. This was after watching 13 videos. I earned 97 cents. That's less than a rand. And then after watching 12 videos, I earned 1 rand 47. And then after watching 11 videos, I earned 2 rand 56. So how this works is it depends with the points that each video has. So after watching, let's say, 11 plus 12, that's 22, plus 13, that's 35. After watching 35 videos, I made 4 rand 95. 4 rand 95. That's not even up to a quarter of a dollar. That's how much I made in a period of 3 days. So I stopped doing this because I realized that it wasn't worth it. For you to be able to withdraw, it has to be 150 rands. So imagine you make a rand a day, given that's our average. You are making 1 rand a day. For you to get into 150 rands, how many videos would you have watched? So, from the previous video that we watched, she spoke about how you have to watch 30 seconds videos for 8 hours in order for you to make at least $100 a week. So, those are a lot of hours. Each 8 hours, you'll be watching 30-second videos for you to make something that is liquid, that makes sense. So, according to me and the research that I have made, is this worth it? No, this is not worth it for me. But if you have a lot of time on your hands and you want to experience and know how this goes, feel free to try it. But what can you get with 5 rand when you can't withdraw it? Honestly, guys. So this is up to you, but according to me, nope. Nope, this does not make sense for me because it'll take me 8 hours to watch all those videos. Within 8 hours, how much will I be able to make? So honestly, for me, it's not worth it because all the free time I had within my day, that's when I was watching all those 11 videos, 14 videos, and I didn't make much. So I would say if you are patient and you have nothing to do at all, you can watch those videos and make money from it. But this means that whatever you're doing, whether you're bathing, whatever you're doing, you will have to be watching those videos. And those videos don't automatically all play at the same time. So what you do is you have to watch, indicate that this video is done, and watch another video. You can't leave your phone to just play the videos while you are busy with something else. Every 30 seconds, you need to press your phone. That was a clever tactic on their part. So will I continue with this hustle? No, I did 3 days and realized, no, I'm wasting my time. But I had to review this for you guys. If you're interested in going along with paid work, please do. You can also try the surveys and other things. I was just reviewing, watching the videos, because for me, that is the video that I wanted to try and know if I can earn from watching videos, because I love watching videos. So I was trying to make money from what I love. So is it worth it? No. Please do like, comment, and leave suggestions of what you think I should do next. I will continue reviewing and doing research on your behalf so you guys don't have to spend so many hours on things that are not worth it. So for me, this wasn't, but you guys can try it for yourselves. The website is very free to sign on. So you guys, please tell me what you think and stay tuned for more videos that are coming up. I love you guys so much.